Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Here in the video we will share the details for the PlayStation error code WS-116520-5. So, why does this error code even pop up? It all comes down to the PlayStation server. There are mainly three possibilities causing this error. It could be that the PlayStation is overwhelmed with traffic due to a sale, event, or festival. It could be that PlayStation servers are experiencing an outage or undergoing server maintenance. To kick off the troubleshooting process, head on over to the PSN server status page. If there's an issue with any of their services, it's likely the root cause of the error. But what if all of the PlayStation services are up and running? It's still possible that there's something happening with the PSN server that hasn't been updated on their status page. To confirm this, visit downdetector.com to see if any outages have been reported in the past few hours or days. If Downdetector is also not showing any issue with the PlayStation service, it's time to give your console and internet a little break. Power them off and restart them after 5 minutes. Once they're back up and running, check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and has a good speed. But what if none of this works? If restarting the console and the internet doesn't resolve the error, it's best to wait for a few hours and try again. PlayStation support is also available to provide any update. Another place to check is this page is the hardware and repairs page. You can find the link in the video's description. If on the page you see a notification that says, PlayStation is experiencing delays in service, it's a clear sign that PlayStation is dealing with some issues due to an outage or traffic overload. In summary, to fix the PlayStation error code WS-116520-5, check the PSN server status, downdetector.com, restart your console and internet, and visit the PlayStation support page. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.